So I was on a call today with a busy career, high-achieving woman, and she told me, hey, basically we got into the topic of the conversation, in-person coaching versus online coaching. And I told her, listen, I've been both. I've been in the fitness industry for 15 years, and I know all aspects of both. So let me explain. In-person coach, the most typical program that they're going to put you on is 2 times a week in person for 1 hour. You're going to see this person for 1 hour. You're going to have a phenomenal workout. However, they're not going to give you nutrition support or nutrition advice outside of that 1 hour. So whenever you have any concerns, you are all alone. You're not going to have any communication with this in-person trainer in between sessions or before and or after sessions. Okay. I know this because I've done that, and I wouldn't answer any questions. Online coach, however, will support you 24/7, 365 in training and in nutrition. Online coach will cover training programs made for your body type or in general, it depends on the coach, and nutrition could be catered to your body type or it could be general as well. Okay. It all comes down to the experience of these coaches, whether in person or online. If you hire an in-person coach, let's talk about prices. It could run you around $150 per session for 1 hour. If you get something cheaper, like $60 or $70, you probably have a high school kid or someone who's, an online coach. Well, let's backtrack. Let's say in a typical program for 4 months in which you should be seeing results, you'll probably spend about $4,000 to $6,000, which is a lot. Online coach for 6 months, you'll see anywhere between $2,000 to $3,000. Okay. However, both could be dumbasses because of inexperience, or they could be experienced and they could be very, very good. But Brian, are you an online coach? Good question. I'm successful because I not only train my clients of 50 plus, I have a team that trains my clients of 50 plus. So the negatives about this is that obviously the in-person training, you only have that coach undivided attention for those 2 hours a week. Online coach would be you're being trained by just one person. And once they pass 20 or 30, it's going to be very hard to manage. I have a team because I have a lot of clients, number one. Number two, and because I have and specifically hired people who specializes in their own department. I specialize in training. Do I know nutrition and mindset? Yes. But I have a registered dietitian part of my team supporting all my clients. That's his department 24/7. I have a mindset coach who's a licensed therapist, and she has her own department supporting my clients.